Assalamu alaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Independence Day special tricolored and tri-flavored pasta. First of all, we are going to make an orange colored carrot flavored pasta, then white sauce pasta, followed by the green pasta which is also mint and coriander flavored. This is going to be a very special recipe. Do try it out on the Independence Day and surprise your family members and your guests. So first of all, let's make in the orange carrot flavored pasta. For this, heat a kadai on the stove, add in 1 teaspoon of oil. As the oil gets heated up, add in 1 teaspoon of finely chopped onions and cook it for a minute. Now add in 1 teaspoon of finely chopped green chilies and fry for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, add in 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry until they become golden brown. See, as they have become golden brown, add in 1 big grated carrot and give it a good mix. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and give them all a good mix. Do not overcook the carrot. Now add in 1 cup of boiled pasta into it. After adding the boiled pasta, add in salt according to taste and add in little bit of orange food color. So here I do not have the kaise strands, that is why I am adding in orange food color. In case you have the kaise or the saffron strands, do soak it in warm water for about 5 to 10 minutes and add in for great taste and color. Now toss it on high flame. That's it, orange carrot flavored pasta is ready. Now keep it aside. And now heat a kadai and add in 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can even use butter instead. Now add in 1/2 teaspoon of maida and roast it on low flame for about 1 minute. After roasting it for a minute, add in 1 cup of milk into it and allow the milk to boil by stirring it continuously. So here you can see the milk has started to boil. Now here I am going to adding in 2 to 3 teaspoons of mozzarella cheese. In case you don't have mozzarella cheese, you can even use the cheese slice or the regular processed cheese cubes. You can grate it and add in. Now continuously cook until the cheese gets melt. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt into it, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Now give them all a good mix and cook the white sauce for about 1 to 2 minutes on high flame until it gets thickened. So here you can see our white sauce is ready. Now add in the boiled pasta and give it a good mix on high flame. So here our white sauce pasta is also almost done. So this way we have made 2 colored and 2 flavored pastas. So toss it on high flame for about 1 to 2 minutes and this is done. Take it out into a plate. Now heat the kadai for making the green mint and coriander flavored pasta. Heat a kadai and add in oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of chopped onions. As the onions get transparent, add in 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry it for about 1 minute. Now add in 1 cup of green chutney into it. Here I have grinded in few mint leaves, coriander leaves and 3 big green chilies and by adding in little bit of salt. Now continuously stir it and cook it on low flame until the oil oozes out. So if you don't know the green chutney recipe, do let me know in the comment section. I'll bring a video for you. Now add in few spices like 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Do not add in red chili powder as we have added in the ample amount of green chilies while grinding the green paste. Now cook it for about 1 minute. Now here the flavored green sauce is also ready. Now add in the boiled pasta into it. Add in salt according to the taste and give them all a good mix and that's it. Now cook it on high flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. And here our delicious green pasta is also ready. Now let's plate it in my style. Very tasty and delicious. So first of all, line the plate with the orange pasta. As in our flag, we have the orange color first, then add in the white sauce pasta, and then finally the green sauce pasta. This looks so good and tasty. Do give it a try this Independence Day and let me know your experiences in the comment section. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.